Thanks for tuning in to The French Kiss Cook. Today we are going to make a Tuscan chicken meatball with gnocchi recipe, a meal all-in-one with the beautiful gnocchi, a rich creamy sauce, and beautiful chicken meatballs. So let's get started. To a large bowl with our chicken, we are going to add panko crumbs, freshly grated Parmesan, an egg, 3 cloves of garlic, right in the bowl, a 1/4 cup of sun-dried tomatoes that I've finely chopped, and then for seasoning I'll add some salt, some freshly cracked pepper, and some oregano. Before I mix the meatball mixture, I like to have a small bowl of water to dip my fingers in and my baking tray ready with parchment paper so I can go right ahead and get my hands dirty. Mix all the ingredients until smooth, and then I can go ahead and shape my meatballs. This mixture will make between 20 and 24 meatballs. As long as they're similar in size, that way they'll bake evenly. And then on the sheet pan, the meatballs are going in the preheated oven for 16 to 18 minutes, just enough time to get the rest of the dish ready. In a large skillet on medium heat, drizzle a little bit of olive oil, and then add your finely chopped sun-dried tomatoes, shallot, and garlic. Cook for a few minutes, and then add in the spinach. Cook it until it's fully wilted, and then deglaze the pan with the white wine. Scrape off all that beautiful flavor from the pan, and then add in the chicken broth and the heavy cream. Stir to combine, bring to a simmer, and then add in the gnocchi. Bring the heat down to low, stir in the gnocchi, make sure that they're all in the liquid, and then place the lid on the skillet and let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes. The meatballs are ready just in time. The gnocchis have cooked up beautifully and the cream sauce has thickened, so we're ready to assemble. We'll start by placing some of the gnocchi and the delicious cream sauce in the bottom of the bowl, and then top it with these super juicy chicken Tuscan style meatballs, and then of course cover them in lots of Parmesan cheese. Find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.